An activist who led pro-Palestinian protests at Columbia University will remain in detention following a brief court hearing. A judge has blocked Mahmoud Khalil's deportation for now. Christina Fan joins us live from Lower Manhattan with the latest on this case. Christina.
Mary, good morning. Attorneys for Mahmoud Khalil and the government battled yesterday in court over jurisdiction where this case should be heard. A judge set forth several deadlines and a timetable for when paperwork and arguments should be submitted. And while he ordered that Khalil remain in custody down in Louisiana for now, he also granted his attorneys more access to their client. As attorneys for Mahmoud Khalil faced off with Trump administration officials inside federal court Wednesday, protesters outside demanded the release of the pro-Palestinian activist.
Everybody should be out in the streets right now. Everybody should be really upset about this right now.
Immigration agents arrested the 30-year-old over the weekend before sending him to an ICE detention center in Louisiana. They claim he led activities aligned to Hamas, but have not provided details on any charges or alleged crimes. Khalil's attorney says his client was targeted for speaking out against the U.S. and Israeli government.
We and he fully intend to vindicate not just his First Amendment rights, but those of all Americans, frankly.
The Trump administration says it wants to deport Khalil under a provision of the Immigration and Nationality Act that gives the Secretary of State the power to deport a non-citizen on foreign policy grounds.
It's not about free speech. This is about people that don't have a right to be in the United States to begin with. No one has a right to a student visa. No one has a right to a green card, by the way.
At Wednesday's court hearing, the government pushed for the case to be moved to Louisiana or to New Jersey, where Khalil was held before being transferred. The Southern District of New York, they argued, was not the proper forum. His attorneys, meanwhile, want him back in New York.
We're seeking to have him released, and we're going to do that whether it's in federal court or an immigration court.
Khalil's lawyers also complained about access, telling the judge they have yet to be able to speak privately with their client. The judge responded, granting a privileged call yesterday and today. The Department of Homeland Security issued Khalil a notice to appear before an immigration judge down in Louisiana on March 27th for deportation proceedings. But again, a federal judge here in New York has said that he is not to be deported until the court here makes a determination. Reporting live from Lower Manhattan, Christina Fan, CBS News, New York.
Okay, Christina, thank you.